The batch file starts with the line at echo off, which instructs the computer not to display the commands in the command prompt window as they are being executed. This helps keep the output clean and user-friendly, as it hides the technical details from the user. Following this, there is a comment line. Open the default web browser, navigate to YouTube, search for funny video. This line is not executed by the computer. It's only there for humans to understand what the batch file is supposed to do. Comments in batch files are marked with and are helpful for documenting the code. The core functionality is provided by the line start https://www.youtube.com/results search_query equals funny plus video. The start command is used to open a new window or an application. In this case, it opens the default web browser. The first set of double quotes is there to provide a window title, which can be left empty if not needed. The URL within the double quotes specifies that the browser should navigate to YouTube and search for funny video. Finally, the exit command is used to close the batch file after the previous command has been executed. This ensures that the command prompt window closes automatically once the task is completed. In summary, this batch file hides its own execution details, explains its purpose through a comment, opens the default web browser to a specific YouTube search page, and then exits gracefully.